Hello, friends. We are doing something new for this sneak peek, so let's just dive in. This is the French dusty blue and navy blue styling kit with a pop of a light shimmer sage green. I am so in love with this. I can't even begin. Oh, it is just so dreamy. We're just gonna walk through all of the elements that are included, and the kits going forward are gonna be a little bit bigger. We're gonna have a few more styling elements. You guys love the small details, so I'm gonna try to give you more of them. We have all of these great faux postage stamps. So let's get in nice and tight. I have shades of a really pretty light green. Again, all of these are going to be floral. Then this row is like blues, greens, a little bit of purple, and then we've got all blues, touches of green. This set, if you purchase the kit, you will get this set of faux postage. Then I have 3 larger stamps that are going to be a random floral set, and it's going to be a white, a yellow, and a blue. So you will get a floral set, but they will just be random, but one will definitely be white, one will have a yellow flower, and then one will have a blue. Then moving on to these little brass butterflies. You know I love the small styling elements. So for this go round, we have these tiny petite ones, and then we have 2 larger ones, and they're in the dreamiest antique brass finish. Then our wax seals, we have 6 as opposed to 5. A really pretty like steel navy blue. This one is pearlized. It's a rose. Then a sage green with an olive branch, another pearlized one. A very pretty light blue pearlized. This one is matte and it's like a true dusty blue. Then a vellum with a printed floral dusty blue design, and then a classic, I would say like ivory white, because you never can have enough of those. Moving on to our dreamy ring box collection. We have 3 of them, and they are in the hexagon shape. This gorgeous shimmer, deep royal navy, and then this is the most beautiful light shimmer sage green, and then this matte French dusty blue. So these are the 3 ring boxes. And then moving on to the ribbon, this silk I have been waiting for. That is why this kit is so delayed. I'm gonna unroll it in a minute. Each spool is gonna be different because again, I make each ribbon by hand. It is so, this is gonna have its own moment in a second, but the undertones are a true dusty blue. Then the floral pattern is a deep navy, shades of blue, charcoal gray. There even is a couple touches of black in there. This is on a larger, just natural spool. Then our beautiful silk navy. One side has a great sheen. The other side is matte, and it is on a stained large wood spool. Again, look at those colors together. And lastly, this I'm in love. I am in love with this satin shimmer sage. It is a nice, beautiful, light sage green. This full kit is going to be launching Wednesday, the 28th, Eastern Standard Time. Now, I know why you're here. You were here for the bonus. Let me show you. I have 10 of these bonuses. I love to reward you for just being the best clients. I wouldn't be here without you. So the first 10 people that purchase the full styling kit, the ring sets aren't included, but everything else in this styling kit is $150, and you get this butterfly gold dish. This is vintage. These will not be available in the shop. I have been hunting these down for a year. I just finished painting them. They've been curing. And then this beautiful matte mint color. So let me just show you what this looks like with the collection. They will come in the plastic case. Everything just will fit perfectly in here. Now, again, only 10 of these for the first 10 people that shop. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to put you in the holder, and we're going to do a little bit more in depth so you can see the beautifulness of this ribbon. I moved things a little bit and I grabbed another spool because I just wanted to show you the variation that can happen in the ribbon, because again, I make every ribbon by hand. I source the finest silks and satins and crepes from around the world. This is from my past history as a bridal accessory designer. That's also why my ribbon styles differently than the kind that you get on Amazon. I always say invest in a good quality ribbon. There's a lot of components that go behind styling, and that is one of the key things. You need to invest in a good ribbon. So this silk is Floral. And then this is the exact same ribbon, but you can see the variation in it. So this one has a little bit more just solid, where the other one has more of the pattern in it. But it is, it's becoming my favorite one to style with. I've shot so many styling videos and I just can't get enough of it. It pairs so beautifully with so many different ring boxes. It goes with the navy, it goes with the matte French blue. It also goes with, if you have the dusty blue, my just regular old dusty blue ring box. It looks beautiful with gray. It looks beautiful with black. Like, I just can't get enough of it. You're gonna love it too. If you have my other French blue ribbon, I grabbed that. It also, it is different. So it's not like, oh, I already have that. It is definitely a little bit of a different shade. And if you don't have this dusty blue ribbon, you definitely can add it if you wanna just really beef up your styling kit, because blue is the color of the season. I don't care what Pantone says. They were wrong. Pantone got it wrong. This is going to be, not this, but here's our full styling kit. You get 3 ribbons, 3 ring boxes, 12 faux postage, 6 wax seals, and 5 butterflies. And again, for the first 10 amazing clients, you get these 2 bonuses. You get the dish and the ring box. I really am so grateful to each and every one of you that support this dream of mine. I wouldn't be here without you. I'm sure you're sick of me saying it, but I really am so grateful. So first 10 clients, this lunch is this Wednesday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is June, let's not get ahead of ourselves. June 28th. Once we've sold 10, then it just goes back to the styling kit. Everything will be available the following week a la carte. I just ran out of time.